Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily and today we're joined here with my landlord's daughter, Jocelyn.
Hi.
So Jocelyn is 16. She is just starting to get into makeup. She really just knows the basics, right?
Yeah, just like foundation, some concealer. I don't know where like everyone puts their concealer. Like they put it like right here, like right here. I just put it like right here in my eyebrows.
It just depends on like the person and like,
Yeah.
We'll get there. We'll get there.
Yeah.
So today what we thought we would do, we were trying to come up with like a video to do for the both of us, especially since she's such a beginner with makeup. So what we came up with was I'm going to do half of my face and then she's going to try to recreate the other half. Now I had asked her how she wanted me to do it. I had asked her if when I do my half of the face, if I should just stay quiet and not say anything, not tell her why or what or how or when. Is there any other W's I'm missing?
I don't know.
So yeah, not telling her any of that and just doing it and seeing if she could recreate it. Or if she would rather me do half of my face, her be able to ask questions, me explain to her what I'm doing. And she decided that she didn't want any of that. She wanted me to stay quiet. She just wants to watch. And then maybe, like, as you're doing it, you'll have questions.
Yeah.
And be like, wait, is this right?
Maybe.
Is this right?
Probably.
Maybe I'll tell you. Maybe I won't. All right. So I am going to do my half of my face real quick. And then we will be right back.
We're back. I'm better.
Hey, guys. We are back. I did my half of the face. Jocelyn watched. Did you learn anything, or did you get confused, or were you overwhelmed?
Yeah. Everything.
Everything?
I was so confused. I was like, it's fine.
You'll figure it out.
Yeah.
And what I did, I didn't lay everything out like in order for her, but I did lay everything out. I took everything that I didn't use off of the table. Mm-hmm. So on the table, it's only things that we used. And then she's not going to moisturize or prime my face. I did my entire face before I did my half. So she's just going to go straight in with whatever she thinks the first step should be. So,
okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah. So I don't know if I want to do foundation or your eyebrows first. I don't know how much to use.
I hope she doesn't make me sharp eyes.
Okay, ready?
Stop. What is that face for?
Okay.
I'm so scared, you guys. Like, I'm scared, but I'm not because I know this is just fun. Like, I know.
Oh
I
my
gosh! What did you do? I can't even see.
Okay, good.
The camera's too far away. I can't
Good.
even see it.
Okay, we're gonna fix
so
this.
bad.
Okay.
You're done.
Do you have makeup wipes?
So y'all see this, right?
You
y'all
have
see
to
what she did to me?
up, close and up. Oh my gosh.
She gave me a Sharpie brow.
We're gonna try this again.
Round 2. Let's go.
Two. Please, God. I know you're there. I don't know how you get it so good. Like, what? Like.
Well, I concealed it afterwards.
Okay. Yeah, I'm struggling.
Like, the concealer really, like, helps clean it up.
Wait, what did you use to conceal? Did you use this?
What brush did I use to conceal?
Remember I didn't want you?
Oh, yeah. So Jocelyn didn't watch me conceal my brows. So she doesn't even know what I used.
Oh, you use this.
Okay.
Okay.
There you go. This is going to be so interesting for me to edit because, like, I can feel what you're doing, but I don't know what it looks like. So I'm going to be editing it like,
Sorry,
Jocelyn, what the
Emily.
fuck are you doing?
I know.
Do you think you did a better job this time? Is it looking better with you being able to clean it up?
I think so. Okay.
What do you guys think?
Okay.
How's it look?
It's not that bad. Okay. Yeah.
My face is so damn uneven. Okay.
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna do your foundation.
Okay.
Okay, so use this. I'm gonna put on this.
Do you use a sponge or do you use a brush or do you use your
I
hands?
use a sponge. People use their hands?
I did when I was in middle school. That was like the thing.
Oh,
You
really?
do your entire makeup with your hands. Like,
Oh my god, that looks like a lot.
it feels like a lot.
No, we're fine. Okay. I don't know what to do. You know, we're gonna put it to your neck.
Okay.
Okay, now that I'm seeing your eyebrows, it probably wasn't the best, but we're gonna, it's okay. Okay. It's like eyeshadow, right? Oh, no.
Whatever
Concealer. No, wait.
Do whatever order you want.
Yeah.
I mean, you're just trying to match it, remember?
Okay, I'm gonna try concealer because I'm scared for eyeshadow right now. I don't know what a lot of concealer is, and I think this is fine. I'm gonna do some over here. I think you did that, right?
Did I?
Oh, and you did right here. Oh, sorry. That's my poke out your eye. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do your eyeshadow.
Okay.
And
Eyeshadow.
okay, use this. I remember.
Okay.
Okay. I was like, I saw you do that a lot.
Saw me tap it off.
Yeah. No, you didn't use that one. Pretty sure you used this one. I don't even know if you used this brush.
I don't know, Jocelyn. My eyes are closed.
I really wish I paid you more attention. Like, I paid attention, but
not enough.
it's because it was like a bunch of brushes, and then I was just like, I can't keep track.
Mm-hmm.
So I think I just try to keep track more of the color I use.
Yeah. What should I call Freddie? Her mom's fiance. Her mom's fiance is who we're renting from, really. We're renting from them. So her mom's fiance was renovating mine and Leah's house. And so we kind of overtook Jocelyn's room while that was going on. And now the renovations are done. So now it's just like us getting our house back together and whatnot. No, it's great though. Like, we all get along so good and so
I'm really
awesome.
surprised
and we drove
how much you guys get along.
Right, and like we all joke around, and like you wouldn't think that like we rent from them with the way our relationship is.
It's
like,
funny,
it's really
like
awesome.
I tell my friends like, oh, because I just call you guys my neighbors, like it's just easier, and they're like, your neighbors live with you, like they're in your room, what? And I'm like, yeah, it's complicated, but like it's normal,
it's cool.
Like it's fine.
Normal
like,
for us.
Yeah. Okay, could you tell me what colors you use or no?
No, you just have to recreate it.
Oh, okay. Okay, and we're gonna go. Please be this one. That's really, really dark. Well,
let's find out.
I don't know if it was this one or this one. That's why I think it was this one though. Oh, it was both. Yeah. Like, it looks a little bit darker than yours. So I'm gonna have to like go back to this. No, I'm gonna go to this one because it has nothing on it. And I'm just gonna blend that.
Look at you.
Whoa. Oops, I went to your eyebrow. Actually, I really like the eyeshadow.
Really?
Yeah. I'm like really confident.
Let's see. What do you guys think? How is she doing with the eyeshadow?
I think I'm doing pretty good.
Are you?
Yeah.
You can tell which shimmer shade I like to use.
Yeah. I actually like that one.
It's so pretty. It's like super natural shimmer, but like still out there.
Mm-hmm. Okay, open it. I'm trying to figure out why your bottom looks way more like lighter. Emily!
What?
I didn't prime your eyelid! Forgot about this. Damn it, I can't believe I forgot a freaking prime. I'm so mad.
I honestly didn't even notice that you didn't prime.
Oh.
Honestly, I didn't even notice that you didn't prime.
Well.
So. Do you remember me using that one?
No.
Oh.
I mean, I'm guessing you did, because you said it. But I don't remember you using this. Okay. You know, it's good.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm proud.
I believe in you.
Yeah.
I believe in you. Now what?
Okay. Your contour.
Contour?
No.
On the table right now. What is next?
Powder. Do I want to use this one
For which one?
For this.
That's what I would use.
Okay.
For that powder if I were doing my makeup.
If you were doing your makeup, would you use this one for right here and right here? Or would just right here?
If I were doing my makeup, I would use that brush and that powder and put it everywhere that I put the concealer. I would set the concealer.
I would do that
what
too.
I would do. You're not, guys, she wants to put all of this, all of this on my face at one time.
Is that no?
That's a lot. So let me teach you a little something about loose powder, okay? So like you lightly pick it up, right? And then you tap, right?
Right. I didn't know if this was like baking or what this is.
Yeah, I use it for both.
Okay, so we're just gonna, yeah, I use concealer right there. Okay, like right there.
So it's so soothing having somebody else do your makeup.
Yeah? No, and then you did this. You did this with this, and then you did it like all over. Or was it this?
I don't know. Which brush do you think?
Don't these look the same? Like, these look exactly the same to me.
Those are two totally different brushes.
I mean, like, they're different colors, but like...
Got all that in my mouth.
I'm so sorry, Emily, if I did this wrong. But I think you did, like, everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks, like, good. Okay, we're gonna do contour now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, right here. Okay. Like, every time I've tried contour, I've done so bad. Like, it's so dark. Like, super, super dark. And I'm like, I don't think that's right. And I'm like, oh, well.
Better look next time.
Yeah, I'm like, well, I literally wipe it all off with, like, my wipies. And I'm just like, well, I'll just do it next time. Now, I think you did this. And then, okay. Oh! Yeah. Honestly, I think the only, part is the eyebrow.
Really?
Yeah, I think everything else is gonna be good.
Good.
Okay. We're gonna do blush now. Okay. I'm gonna sit right here. I hope I'm not putting too much. Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Your highlight. Wait. No. I don't know. I think I should just do this.
Okay.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay. It won't like... Right? Like, I hope it just stays in place while I do this.
So all this is going to do, like not picking up any more product, is just going to blend everything together a little bit more.
Okay, good. Yeah. No, I know what I have to do.
What?
The powder right here.
Okay.
Okay. Like, down like that. Right? Okay, you put it on your nose. That's what I forgot!
What?
To bronze your nose!
Okay.
We're gonna use this, because I don't know what else to use. And we're just gonna... Yeah. Okay. And then... Oh, do you use this in the middle? Is that what you do? Gotta take this off. I don't know how.
Oh, you didn't
A
want
brush.
to do that?
No. We're gonna use this though.
Okay.
Okay. What else did you do? Let me see. I think all that's left. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a highlight.
Okay. This is so good. I can see it in the camera.
Lashes?
Do you want to put lashes on me? Or do you want me to put the lashes on me?
You know, you should put the lashes on you.
Okay, yeah.
Because I'm going to poke your eye.
I don't want her to poke my eye out.
Yeah.
I don't want her to glue my eyes shut. Oh, Jocelyn, this isn't bad.
Really? I'm so happy. Wow.
Okay, guys, so I just put on the mascara and the lashes. So there is one more step.
Lipstick.
Right? I mean, besides that.
Oh.
There's one more step to the face.
I remember. Okay. Should I do your whole face?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Okay. Oh, what is that? Was that too close? Oh my god. I am so sorry.
It's okay.
That was... Okay.
Okay, so we're going to try this again.
Right here.
Right here.
Okay.
So, the colors she picked out Kylie Cosmetics Savage, and I'm pretty sure this is Handsome Devil Gloss. Glitter Gloss.
This was so fun.
I
said this was so fun. I actually think I did a good job.
I think you did too.
Yeah, because like, you know, I'm not good at makeup, but I think that was pretty good. Like, I've never had to match something else before. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, guys, we are back. I just did the lips. So what do you guys think? How did she do? So she did this side of my face, my left side, and I did my right side. Now, let me grab... So I don't think you did a bad job at all. I would say...
Yay.
You're right. With the... You actually, compared to the first time you did the brows...
Yeah.
Great. Phenomenal. Right?
Thank you.
For the eyeshadow, the one thing that I
Okay.
was going to say, the darker color you had put all over my lid.
Right.
I didn't do that.
You didn't?
That's why. I put it like in the crease, but I left the lid like bare.
Oh.
That's why your side showed up darker.
I was like,
than my
why
side.
is it so dark? I don't understand.
Other than that, I would say really the only like difference would be like you put a shit ton of highlight on my cheek over here, and like I didn't over here. You know what I mean? But like other than that, like it looks good. Like
Okay.
if I had to go out of the house, I would go out of the house.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because it looks like pretty normal, right?
Yeah.
Like, okay.
I think it looks pretty good.
Oh my god, I'm so happy this worked out.
I'm happy too.
Yes.
So, what do you guys think?
Leave a comment down below.
yeah, you do it. Do my outro,
Okay,
bitch.
so leave a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification button because when do you post?
Not I don't know when I post right now.
She's gonna try to post like weekly. Right?
She said.
Yeah. And, you know, I'll be back, too, because this was so much fun.
She will be. So if there is any videos that you would like to see me do with Jocelyn, please let me know in the comment section.
Maybe even Clarissa could come.
Or Clarissa, too, her sister. Yeah.
My sister. She's younger, too.
Yeah, so she's even younger, so I think that would be a lot of fun.
That'd be funny.
How old is she, 12?
She's 12.
She's 12, yeah. So I think that would be a lot of fun having her do my makeup.
Yeah.
So if there's any, like, specific challenges or, like, videos you want me to see do with do that? Made no sense. You want to see me do with Jocelyn, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please like and subscribe, share with all of your friends. If you have any ideas for me, if there's anything you want to see or get reviewed, please also comment section down below. If you want to follow me on my social media, my Instagram and my Twitter are yagirlm with 2 M's _.
Good to know so I could follow.
You can follow me.
No.
So yeah, yagirlm with 2 M's and then an _. And then my Snapchat is EmilySavannah95. So thank you guys so much for coming. I had a lot of fun, and then we will see you. We will see you next time.
Yeah,
I guess that we're gonna do another video
time.
soon.
Yeah.
Then, see you next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.